Welcome to Gwalior, a city in the heart of India where history whispers from ancient stones and modern life pulses strong. Colossal forts crown hillsides, their silhouettes stark against the sky, a testament to centuries of power and resilience. Join us as we venture into this fascinating city, exploring grand palaces and temples, each a masterpiece of intricate design. We'll wander through bustling markets, alive with color and sound, experiencing the warmth of Gwalior's vibrant culture. Get ready to witness the enduring spirit of Gwalior, where the past and present coexist in a captivating tapestry. Gwalior's story stretches back over a millennium, woven from the threads of many dynasties, the Tomars, the Mughals, and the Scindias. Each dynasty left an indelible mark on the city's rich tapestry, contributing to its unique cultural and historical heritage. Dominating the skyline, the majestic Gwalior fort stands as a silent sentinel, bearing witness to the ebb and flow of empires. Its imposing structure has seen countless battles and has been a symbol of resilience and strength. Its foundations were laid in the 8th century, a time when this land pulsed with the energy of a nascent kingdom. The fort's ancient stones echo the stories of its builders and the many who sought to conquer it. Over the centuries, the fort became a prize fiercely contested and valiantly defended. Its walls bear the scars of numerous sieges and battles, each one adding to its storied past. The Mansingh Palace, with its turquoise-tiled facades, whispers of a bygone era of grandeur and refinement. This architectural marvel stands as a testament to the artistic and cultural zenith reached during its time. The fort's strategic importance made it pivotal in the tumultuous events of 1857, the year India rose up against British rule. It became a focal point of resistance and a symbol of the struggle for independence. Today, the fort stands as a testament to the enduring spirit of Gwalior, a city that has weathered the storms of history and emerged stronger. It continues to inspire awe and admiration, drawing visitors from around the world to witness its timeless grandeur. Rising high above the plains, Gwalior Fort is a sight to behold. This majestic structure, with its towering walls and intricate architecture, stands as a testament to the grandeur of ancient Indian fortifications. Its sheer scale and impregnability have earned it the moniker Gibraltar of India, a name that reflects its strategic importance and formidable defences. This fortress is hewn from the very rock upon which it stands, blending seamlessly with the rugged terrain. The stone walls, weathered by time, tell tales of battles and sieges. Stepping through its formidable gates is like stepping back in time. The massive doors, adorned with iron spikes, were designed to repel even the most determined invaders. The Mansingh Palace, with its stunning blue-tiled facades, beckons us closer. This palace, a jewel within the fort, showcases the artistic brilliance of its era. Its courtyards, once bustling with activity, now offer a serene retreat. The echoes of past celebrations and royal gatherings seem to linger in the air. Nearby, the Gujari Mahal, now a museum, houses a treasure trove of artifacts, each one a window into Gwalior's rich past. From ancient weaponry to exquisite sculptures, the museum offers a glimpse into the lives of those who once inhabited this fort. The Sas Bahu ki Baudi, a stepwell of remarkable intricacy, speaks of a time when water was not just a necessity, but a source of architectural inspiration. The detailed carvings and symmetrical design reflect the ingenuity of the craftsmen. As we explore the fort's ramparts, the city of Gwalior stretches out before us, a panorama of old and new. The view from here is breathtaking, offering a unique perspective on the blend of history and modernity that defines this vibrant city. Gwalior's cultural heritage is as rich and varied as its history, a tapestry woven with threads of music, art, and tradition. The city resonates with the melodies of Hindustani classical music, its roots firmly planted in the legacy of the Gwalior Gharana, one of the oldest and most respected schools of Indian classical music. Here, music is not just a form of entertainment, but a way of life deeply embedded in the daily rhythms of the people. Festivals like Dussehra and Diwali illuminate the city with a kaleidoscope of color and light, bringing communities together in joyous celebration. Traditional crafts passed down through generations continue to thrive in Gwalior, showcasing the city's rich artistic heritage. Skilled artisans weave intricate designs into fabrics, their hands moving with a dexterity honed over years of practice, creating masterpieces that are both beautiful and functional. The markets overflow with vibrant textiles, each piece a testament to the city's artistic heritage, attracting visitors from all over the world. Gwalior's cultural tapestry is a vibrant blend of the old and the new, preserving its traditions while embracing the future, creating a unique and dynamic cultural landscape. Gwalior's architectural landscape is a testament to the city's rich and varied past. From ancient temples to imposing colonial-era structures, each landmark tells a story. The Telika Mandir, nestled within the Gwalior fort, stands as a magnificent example of Dravidian architecture. Its towering spire, adorned with intricate carvings, seems to reach for the heavens. Nearby, the Sas Bahu Ki Baudi, a stepwell of remarkable depth and beauty, captivates with its intricate carvings and ingenious design. Even Gwalior's railway station, a relatively modern addition, boasts architectural splendor with its Indo-Saracenic design. These landmarks stand as proud symbols of Gwalior's enduring legacy, etched in stone, brick, and time itself. Gwalior, steeped in history, has embraced progress, evolving into a vibrant hub of education, commerce, and industry. The echoes of the 1857 rebellion still resonate in Gwalior. The Scindia family, once rulers of this land, played a complex role in the uprising. Today, Gwalior stands as a testament to the spirit of resurgence. Educational institutions like Jawaji University and Gwalior Engineering College have blossomed, nurturing future generations. Modern infrastructure, from well-maintained roads to burgeoning technology hubs, paves the way for a brighter future. Gwalior stands at a crossroads where the echoes of its glorious past blend seamlessly with the aspirations of a modern India. Gwalior's culinary landscape is a delicious fusion of flavors reflecting the influences of various rulers and cultures. The aroma of freshly made poha, a breakfast staple, wafts through the air, inviting us to start our day the Gwalior way. Crispy samosas filled with spiced potatoes and peas tempt us at every corner, but it is the Gwalior ki chaat that truly captures the city's culinary spirit. Sarson ka saag and maki di roti are staples of the local cuisine, providing a wholesome and satisfying meal. Gwalior's culinary offerings blend tradition and innovation, creating a symphony of flavors sure to delight every palate. Gwalior experiences a semi-arid climate, a symphony of seasons that paint the landscape in varying hues throughout the year. Summers are a time of intense heat, the sun beating down with a fiery intensity. As the monsoon season arrives, the parched earth rejoices, transforming the landscape into a verdant paradise. Winter brings cool, crisp air and clear blue skies, making it the ideal time to explore the city's many historical wonders. Spring sees the landscape erupt in a riot of colors as flowers bloom in abundance. The air is alive with the buzz of bees and the sweet scent of blossoms. Each season in Gwalior brings its own unique charm, offering visitors a different perspective on this captivating city. Gwalior, with its ancient roots, is steadily evolving into a modern metropolis. The city is abuzz with activity, its streets a testament to its growing prosperity. Modern infrastructure is rapidly transforming Gwalior's landscape. New roads and highways connect the city to the rest of the country, facilitating trade and tourism. Technology is playing a pivotal role in Gwalior's growth, with IT parks and technology hubs springing up. The city is rapidly becoming a center for startups and entrepreneurs, drawn by its strategic location and supportive ecosystem. Gwalior's transformation is a testament to the spirit of its people, their resilience and adaptability. No journey to Gwalior is complete without experiencing the vibrant energy of its markets and the artistry of its craftspeople. The city's bazaars are a treasure trove of colors, scents and sounds, a feast for the senses. The Sarafa Bazaar, a labyrinthine marketplace, is a shopper's paradise. Gwalior is renowned for its exquisite handicrafts, each piece a testament to the skill and creativity of its artisans. The intricate chikan embroidery, with its delicate floral patterns, is a sight to behold. Zari work with its intricate gold and silver thread embroidery adorns everything from saris to wall hangings. A visit to Gwalior's markets is an experience in itself, a chance to interact with local artisans and soak up the city's vibrant atmosphere. As our journey through Gwalior draws to a close, we are left with a profound sense of awe and admiration for this incredible city. From the imposing heights of Gwalior Fort to the bustling lanes of its ancient markets, Gwalior has revealed itself to be a city of captivating contrasts. We hope this glimpse into Gwalior's soul has ignited within you a desire to experience its magic firsthand. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more captivating explorations of the world's most fascinating destinations.